All right, guys, Motor Toys back. Just wanted to actually do a little intro here and introduce the fact that I am now building these custom drag cars for people if they want them. This is actually the first one I have done for a customer, and it hasn't even been run yet. In fact, that's what I'm getting ready to do. We're gonna get some initial numbers on 3S and 4S. Tires haven't even been broken in, so kind of do that in the process on 3S. And like I said, brand new car. This one's on 2936 gears. We're set up with the Mamba Monster XESC 1515 2200 tried and true motor. We obviously have the Castle 50 volt cat packs on there, external BEC as well, and then of course, you know, tires, shocks, drag bar, titanium pins, all the other things that go into a top level drag car. So if you know anyone or you guys want one of these, I build them this level, you know, obviously down from this in terms of price. This one's going to run for sale at about $1,800, and obviously I can build them as cheap as $400 or $500, and then, you know, obviously a level up from this is even more. So we're going to get some numbers and see what it does. I have not tuned or adjusted anything, but everything does work. Everything has been turned on, and yeah, we're going to see. Stay tuned, guys. All right, so half power, 3S, nothing's even really warm. That was 63. So that's right about where I'm looking to be. 4S, we're gonna pop that in. Should put us right around 70. There.
Gleaming.
Wow. I was expecting 70 on 4S, guys. 78. That's a 15 mile an hour jump. So that's running 1 mile an hour faster with less gears than my 1515 with a Mamba Monster 2. So that proves right there that the Mamba Monster X is... All right, guys, so we just did a first 6S pass. Tires still need a little bit more breaking in, but 97. So motor's not even warm, super conservative. Yeah, got a lot more room depending on what we want to do. So stay tuned, guys.